प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावसंत सिंहासनाधीश्वर श्रीमंत राजाधिराज श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय. Hello friends, I am Pratik Anand Mahendrakar from Standard 8th. I am from Pune. Today I am going to talk about Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So let's get started. It's a history of 328 years ago. It's the story of great king, of great warrior, and of great leader. Yes, I'm talking about Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of Maratha Empire. Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started his career with a big step. A kid who wins a war and became a king at age 15 was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And only in 50 years of his life, he became a great leader and posed at top. If a condition comes to write a remembered history, then without these three words, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the history is incomplete. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's character stands pure like Gangotri. Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a great leader as well as a great warrior, promised himself at age 15 that he will remove all the tyrannical Mughals out of India and set a installation of Swarajya. Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj taught us that conditions are never easy. We should always give tough to conditions and defend them. This was the fighting attitude and fighting performance of Shivaji Maharaj. Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was called a great leader as well as a great king because at age 15 they became the king. He was the youngest king of Maratha Empire and he stand for Swarajya at age 15. And the second thing is that Shivaji Maharaj defeated many large armies with his small armies. This was the great example that Shivaji Maharaj was fearless. Shivaji Maharaj thought was that the passion and power can't win the war. Mind is also useful in war. Shivaji Maharaj never fight with only passion and power. He also used his mind. He showed his power to many big kings like Afzal Khan and Fateh Khan, etc., and defeated them. And where the power got weak, he used his wisdom. Means he used his mind, and and made many techniques like Ganimi Kawa and which is also called as guerrilla warfare. Shivaji Maharaj was that success key which were able to open any lock. And Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader. Shivaji Maharaj, where they stepped, the success was behind him. On that time, Aurangzeb found that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's power is growing up. Then he and can't tolerate this. Then he put his trump card, means he sent Mirza Raja Jai Singh to attack on Shivaji Maharaj's kingdom. Never was ready for this war. This happened sudden in Shivaji Maharaj's life. Shivaji Maharaj thought to take one step back for Swarajya and surrendered many countries and forts to him. Shivaji Maharaj was as confident and not never nervous on that point because Shivaji Maharaj was having patience. On that time, Aurangzeb called to meet him at Agra. Shivaji Maharaj went there and found Aurangzeb with a new trap. Aurangzeb assumed that Shivaji Maharaj can't get up and will be ready for war after this many sacrifications. But Shivaji Maharaj were as confident and strong as he was early. Then Shivaji Maharaj lived off-site 3 years in kingdom of Aurangzeb. It was a long break to plan a escape. Shivaji Maharaj planned escape plan to get escape from there. Shivaji Maharaj sat in a big trunk of sweet and got escape from there. This is a great example which shows that when the power gets weak, the mind is always useful. Shivaji Maharaj is inspiration of many great kings. Shivaji Maharaj is also called Sihasanadishwar because after many years the first Chhatrapati who became was Shivaji Maharaj. Many people talk for Shivaji Maharaj that Murti Lahan Kirti Mahan, which says that the person's idol is small, but the work does is big. Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and great leader. On 19 February, people celebrate the Shiv Jayanti, which is the birth anniversary of Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. On 3 April 1870, the Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj took his last breath in a fort of Raigad. This was a sad moment for Swarajya. After him, Sambhaji Maharaj, a son of Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, took his place and became a great leader and a king of Maratha Empire. So this was the great history and great king. Hope you like my speech. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji. Thank you.